how to turn off or on mentions notifications on BeReal. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn it off or on. First open BeReal and then click on your profile here in the top corner, and now click these 3 points, and here you will find notifications. Now click on it, and that's it. Now just here you can manage it. If you want to turn it off, click on it and make sure it's disabled, then click save, and you can enable it again. It's easy, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.